What if the way we speak is the reason we feel misunderstood? What if every argument, every cold silence, every moment of tension wasn't about what was said, but about what wasn't? Most of us were never taught how to express what we really feel. We were taught to be polite, to be right, to defend, but not how to speak from the heart, not how to say, this is what matters to me, and not how to listen when someone else tries to do the same. Marshall Rosenberg saw this problem everywhere. Couples at war, parents yelling, children shutting down, teams breaking trust. He believed conflict doesn't come from bad intentions, but from unmet needs and a missing language. So he created one. He called it Nonviolent Communication. But don't be fooled by the name. It's not about being soft. It's about being clear. Clear with your observations, clear with your emotions, clear with what you need, and clear with what you ask for. The NVC process has 4 simple steps. Say what you observed. 2, share what you feel, and name the need behind your feeling. Make a clear, doable request. Here's what that looks like in real life. Imagine your partner comes home late. No message, no apology. You say, "You never care about me." They reply, "You're overreacting." Boom. Disconnection. Now try this instead. When you came home late without a message, I felt hurt because I value trust and clarity. Would you be willing to check in next time? No blame, no shame, just truth, shared in a way the other person can hear. That's the heart of NVC. It's not about controlling outcomes. It's about creating connection by revealing what's alive in us without attacking what's alive in someone else. But here's the part we often miss. This practice isn't just for how we talk to others. It's also for how we talk to ourselves. Think of the last time that you made a mistake. Did your mind say, "You're such a failure"? Or did it say, "You feel disappointed because you value learning and you need some space to reflect"? One creates shame, the other opens healing. Rosenberg used 2 animals as metaphors: the jackal, defensive, reactive, judging, and the giraffe, the animal with the biggest heart on land. It sees from above, it pauses, it speaks with intention. That's the voice we're learning to access. And yes, it takes practice. You'll forget, you'll slip, you'll say things you regret. But every time you come back to these 4 steps, you're choosing clarity over confusion, courage over comfort, connection over control. So here's your micro tool for today. Next time you feel triggered, pause and breathe. Ask yourself these 4 questions. What happened? How do I feel about this? What do I need to feel safe again? What can I ask with kindness? That's it, that's the shift, because real communication isn't about winning, it's about understanding. It's about creating the kind of relationships where everyone can breathe and be seen and be heard. If this resonates, keep watching. There's more to explore on this journey to become a better person, and we want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a moment of connection just because someone really listened to your needs? Let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and come back for more. Because here at ReadEasyHQ, we don't just talk about emotional intelligence, we practice it. One story, one tool, one honest sentence at a time. Let's grow slow and root deep together.